How to add Temu code or referral code. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add a Temu code, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to apply a Temu referral code or anything as such, what I want you to do is, first of all, I want you to simply go ahead and then open up the Temu application here. Once you launch a Temu app, if you have any sort of referral code, promo code, or any type of gift card code, what you want to do is just hit the U option that you can find here. Once you hit the U button, you're going to be taken to this page where you simply want to go to this option called coupons and offers, as you can find it. Once you go to coupons and offers, this is exactly where you want to enter the referral code that you got. So it could be a referral code, or it could be a promo code or a discount code, depending upon whatever you want. You can simply enter them, tap the apply button, and then you should be good to go. And this way you can go ahead and then add your code on the Temu app. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.